Hi, this is Bill McCoy with Rekey Xpress Locksmith, and I wanted to talk today about a problem that was brought into us last week. A gentleman with a Toyota was unable to turn his key in his ignition, and he went out and he spent a large amount of money, hundreds of dollars, replacing his ignition because he thought that he had a problem with the ignition. And what he actually had was a problem with the key. This is a copy of his key, and if you can see, it is worn down significantly. This just happens from banging around in your pocket and also by being used in the ignition. These keys wear down very easily, but what we do is provide a code cut key. The key that you see below it is the exact same key, but it's cut on a machine that cuts everything to the manufacturer's depths. This will allow you to find out if you do in fact have a problem with your ignition, and in this case, this key was able to turn his ignition. He invested in an ignition that was hundreds of dollars when a code cut key was able to fix this for less than $100. With Rekey Xpress, all of our keys are code cut keys. Our machine has the ability to take this key and to trace it, but then it will compensate for wear and give us a manufacturer's cut key. That way we know that you have a key that will turn your ignition properly and will last you a long time. Thanks for joining us today. I'm Bill McCoy with Rekey Xpress Locksmith.